How to mute someone's story on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, go to the profile of the person that you want to mute stories from. Say for example this one. Once you're here, click on the following drop down next to the message option, and from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on mute. And here you will find stories with a toggle next to it, so click on it to turn it on. And once you turn on this toggle, it means that stories from this account will be muted from now on. So that was it for this video. That's how you can mute stories from Instagram account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.